Hey food ninjas, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and delicious boiled yam with Nigerian gravy. So first things first, you want to peel and wash 1 tuber of yam. Transfer the washed yam into a pot, add some water. Add a pinch of salt, cover the pot and transfer it to the stove. Boil the yams until they are fork tender. So you just take one of the yams out, try to poke a fork in it, see if it goes through smoothly. That's how you know the yam is fully cooked. So once your yam is fully cooked, what you want to do is sieve out excess water from the yam, transfer it back again on the stove, add 1 tablespoon of butter and cook on very low heat for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you want to set the yams aside while we make the rich, delicious gravy. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Thank you. So to make the gravy, you want to go into a pot with about 1 cup of palm oil, add 1 julienne onions, we're going to let this onion saute for just 1 minute. So after 1 minute, you want to go in with seasoning, pepper, give it a good stir. This gravy is deceptively simple but packed with bold flavors. So we'll go in with pre-cooked goat meat, pre-cooked dry fish. So this is dry catfish. Okay. Go in with dry scent leaves, dried curry leaves, after 1 minute, I'm going to come here with a whole lot of ground prawns. So this is oporo. Okay, this is not regular crayfish. This is oporo. So you go ahead and add everything. Because you don't want the oporo to burn, you just go ahead and add a little bit of goat meat stock, okay? And all this time on very low heat. More palm oil to bind everything together. You add 2 boiled eggs. This is optional, I don't have to do it, okay? And this gravy is ready. And that's how you make soft, buttery yams and the perfect gravy to go with them. Thank you for watching The Food Ninja. Make sure to subscribe, share this video with family and friends, and stay tuned for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.